Hi friends, I wanted to share this story with you. If you are a Philips Hue user and you're familiar with the Lightstrip Plus, this is version 4. This is the one that has Bluetooth, can be controlled by Higbee, so on, or Zigbee. Anyway, these cannot be extended into each other using anything that Philips ships with them. It's not well advertised. It might be buried somewhere in a knowledge base. I got on the phone with Hue or with Philips and we troubleshot this for quite some time, but just could not make this work. And you know, I'm going to eat the cost on this. It's not their fault. This is not something that they say don't do, but it's also something that they don't say you can do. They do sell kits specifically for extending, and I think, you know, here's where I kind of messed up, if you will, is trying to get this into focus. It's not working great. There we go. Let's do it that way. This is a new camera, so I'm getting used to it. But here's where it says you could cut them and then patch them back into each other using this vampire clip. By the way, those vampire clips are pretty much one use. If you open them and try and close them again, they snap. When I was on the phone with Philips, that actually happened here. And anyway, I ended up with all these pieces trying to patch this thing together. It just doesn't work, folks. So, you know, if you do this, you can't blame Philips for it. This is 100% on me. As you can see, the original light works, but trying to splice them together using the stuff that they send does not work. There are people on the internet who have used Ethernet cable to splice these together. I mean, if you're a hobbyist, you want to do that. Personally, I don't think it's worth my time to try and solder these little tiny connections together, because you can see they're kind of micro and so on. So anyway, yeah, just don't do it. Buy the extension kits and then move on with your life. You will be much happier that way. Thank you for watching and have a great day.